Welcome to the Swiss Blockchain Hackathon 2021. We are really excited to start this 2 weeks of real-world business challenges, solving them, and we're excited to start it with a lot of interesting and large partners in the blockchain ecosystem. Just for the ones that are not from Switzerland, Switzerland is actually the most innovative country in the EU, according to the EU Commission. So it's a great place for innovation. And Switzerland is home to many of the largest blockchain companies worldwide. And that's why it's a great place to start prototyping and ideating ideas. And we started this idea in 2019 with the Swiss Blockchain Hackathon 2019, where we already had 200 hackers, more than 60 experts come together, and they created a lot of very interesting real-world business solutions with blockchain technology. But of course, back then, blockchain technology was not as far as now. Now it's much easier. And this year, the Swiss Blockchain Hackathon is part of the InnoBooster, of the Blockchain InnoBooster. It's an initiative by the Swiss Innovation Agency to unite the entire blockchain ecosystem and to accelerate it. And that's why almost all relevant organizations and universities are part of it. And before we start getting into the hackathon and the information you need to be successful there, we'd like to get you a little bit in the mood and show you an after movie of the 2019 hackathon. So this was 2019. Of course, back then everyone was on site. Now we also will have a lot of people online, and it's a new world. But we're excited to have this year 350,000 in awards. Of this, about 100,000 in cash and tokens, about 150,000 AWS credits, and also 10 ideas will be voted into the InnoBooster Accelerator program. We have more than 70 experts, 230 plus hackers now at the start, and still people can participate over the next 2 weeks. And also the protocol partners have more than 14.5 billion in market cap, which went up quite a lot since I checked the last time, actually. So it's good news on all sides. And I'd like to introduce you a little bit to the consortium partners who initiated it, so you understand also that this is also a great opportunity to meet people and to connect to the ecosystem. TrustSquare and CV Labs are the two leading communities for blockchain. We did together more than 300 events. We had hundreds of blockchain companies as tenants. Many of them became quite big. The Swiss Blockchain Federation is the consortium lead, and they help the entire ecosystem with different initiatives, a variety of initiatives. And we have the Hochschule Luzern and SUBSI, two top universities from Switzerland. And also we have, as I said, a lot of big protocol partners. Actually, with each one of them, we made sure you can solve the challenges. It's easy to use them. You can actually use from C+ to Rust to Python to Java, all kinds of programming languages to solve it. And also, if they like your idea, of course, you have a really good chance of making it happen and realizing that vision, because they have done a lot of projects before and they can support you. They will welcome you in a few minutes, or will welcome you now with a few messages directed to you, Thomas.
Professor Silvio Micali, fondatore di Algorand.
I'm building on Algorand.
I'm building on Algorand.
Stiamo sviluppando in Algorand.
I'm building on Algorand.
Hello hackers and welcome to SBHACK21. I'm Ryan Fox, developer advocate here at Algorand. I want to see you repeating those same words during SBHACK21. I'm building on Algorand. I want you to join our community of developers building decentralized applications at the intersection of speed, security, and scalability. In 2 minutes, I hope to move you from, I'd never heard of Algorand, to yes, I'm building on Algorand. We're offering over $20,000 USD to the top 4 teams building on our smart contracting and smart assets protocol. I know you are a serious developer and require serious tooling to hack together a blockchain solution in just a few short weeks. So let's take a look at how you can solve any of the SBHACK21 challenges offered by building on Algorand. First, there's me and the rest of my colleagues on the Algorand Developer Relations team. Find us on the Discord server in the Algorand Experts channel. We'll help you with your initial design and ongoing development. Check those pinned messages. There you'll find a link to the Algorand Developer Portal. Bookmark it now, developer.algorand.org, as your primary site for learning and building smart contracts and issuing assets on Algorand. We have playable code samples so you can see the code in your browser and click to run to actually see the blockchain interactions live. We've got SDKs and code samples in Python, JavaScript, Java, and Go. We have plugins for popular IDEs like VS Code for syntax highlighting and code tips. We have the Algorand Sandbox so you can quickly spin up a local private network with all the APIs needed for your development environment. You'll find a DApp learning exercise covering building an NFT marketplace. Alice and Bob walk you through building her NFT and deploying his smart contract to auction it off. Be sure to check our partner challenges for SBHACK21. One is asking about this very topic. So head over to developer.algorand.org to get started and simultaneously be working toward one of the many exciting challenges. Win-win, done. All right, hackers, I can't wait to see you in Zurich for SBHACK21 at month's end. I'll bring along those big checks to hand out to the winning teams. Have fun building on Algorand.
Hi everyone, I'm Danny Osorio from the Developer Relations team at Mira Protocol. Mira is a next-gen carbon-neutral blockchain backed by investors such as A16Z, Electric Capital, and Idea Collabs. All smart contracts on Mira are written in Rust. It's based on the proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, so Mira is approximately 99.9% more energy efficient than Bitcoin. We've also partnered with South Pole Global to measure and offset all emissions, making us the very first climate-neutral blockchain. We're definitely the new kid on the block, but our guiding philosophy is that crypto should be accessible to everyone. So we built a blockchain that's easy to build on and easy to use. In fact, my intern built her first Near app in just 6 days.
Dad for the pizza, AJ for the movie, Jenny for the soda. All these people owe me money for all this overpriced stuff I'm paying for in San Francisco. If only I had a decentralized way of being able to send money to each other so I can have all our transactions nice and reliably recorded on a blockchain. Guys, in this episode of Blockheads, we're going to create Dcash, a decentralized Venmo in a way to be able to send each other transactions using the wonderful world of cryptocurrency. So sit tight and let's have some fun. We're gonna have these two cool little pipes here. Add space.
That's what I figured.
Sorry, I hate Siri. Plus the price. So we're adding on the price, which is a string, to the text memo and separating them by these two pipes. Then we're gonna add the word near. Example account 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try to send that 3 near tokens and say, sending you 10 money. Oh, sent. Cool. So it looks like it all succeeded. And we can even see the amount of near sent to this account.
Hey everyone, and welcome to the SB2021 Hackathon. I'm Matt Fontana from Streamer, and what you see behind me is the Streamer Network. It's an open, permissionless, decentralized network ready to transport your application's data from source to subscribers. The network essentially represents itself as a global publish-subscribe messaging service, and under the hood it uses WebRTC so that nodes can even be run in browsers. And today over 80,000 data brokering nodes are being run all around the world. So Streamer is proudly participating because we believe that the decentralized applications of the future, built by you guys and girls, will need decentralized data infrastructure. I personally believe that the new Web3 internet will not be built on blockchains alone. Instead, the new internet will be built on decentralized protocols powered by blockchains like Streamer. We invite you to check out streamer.network to understand more about the possibilities of building on Streamer. We see the protocol as a building block that can be utilized in many different ways. It's a very generalized, unopinionated protocol, kind of like the Ethereum platform has many different use cases that are even yet to be explored or imagined. The Streamer network can be used for data monetization and data unions, for example. Data unions are spreading like wildfire at the moment, with the largest having raised over $7 million and has amassed over 50,000 users. So we also see IoT messaging and supply chain as a very native use case for the Streamer network, DevOps monitoring and notification systems, multiplayer gaming, and the metaverse, very good use cases, blockchain gaming, browser gaming, all these sorts of ideas can leverage the Streamer network. Social media networks, use cases, there are many different ways to chat and to interact with other Ethereum identities and relay messages to one another, and even blocks inside blockchains could be transported by the Streamer network. So the floor is yours. Please reach out to us on Discord just to say hello, or if you have any problems whatsoever. Good luck, and I'll see you all at the hack.
Welcome to all participants to the Swiss Blockchain Hackathon 2021. I'm Sirli Valge. I'm the Chief Operations Officer at Velas Network AG, which is a Swiss-based blockchain company with a globally distributed team. On-site event, we will have our CTO Roman, our Chief Product Officer Andrei, and myself to support you and provide you with hands-on guidance in each step of the development. Little bit about Velas, for those who don't know, we are rooted from the world's first and largest payment processing platform, coinpayments.net, from 2013, with currently 2,000 currencies supported and 3 million active users. Coin Payments integration team, having extensive experience in integrating currencies with different underlying protocols, saw what are the issues and bottlenecks and came up with the vision and design for the next generation blockchain that would solve all these issues, as well as the famous blockchain trilemma. Fast forward to today, we're a chain on Solana code base with some enhancements and improvements, plus EVM compatibility, making Velas the world's fastest ERC20 compatible layer 1 chain out there. This summer, we launched our Velas ecosystem grant program that is totaling to 100 million, and first external projects started building decentralized applications on Velas a year ago, and currently there are around 100 projects in the pipeline within the grant program, launching publicly in the near future. So additionally to the financial support, by developing on Velas, you will benefit on extremely high scalability and low-cost transaction fees, or you can opt for complete fee-free transactions for your user base, making Velas blockchain-based solutions comparable to centralized solutions in terms of user experience. We're the fastest chain in terms of the transaction finality and support different coding languages, including Solidity. We are extremely happy to support you throughout the whole hackathon and meet in person in the end of October in Zurich. Good luck to all the participants and reach out to us whenever you need help.
Hello, I'm Ralph Kubli, a board member of the Casper Association. The Casper Association is proud to be a sponsor of the Swiss Blockchain Hackathon and support the development of open source blockchain programming standards. The Casper Association is a layer 1 proof-of-stake blockchain protocol. Casper is the result of many years of solution engineering. We are attempting to solve the most challenging aspects of blockchain infrastructure, and we have provided a solution to some of Ethereum's biggest challenges. Casper's development process is designed to be familiar to all developers. Use your existing skill set to build your solution on Casper within days. Casper is committed to true decentralization while providing unique scaling and upgradability to the protocol itself. The Casper network is designed to make full use of open web programming standards to quickly build blockchain applications meeting the needs of startups as well as large projects and upgradable enterprise solutions. Web3 is evolving at a rapid pace, and developers are constantly needing to adapt. New technologies like zero-knowledge proofs, DeFi protocols, as well as regulatory challenges all need to be considered. Casper provides easily upgradable smart contracts to meet this need. The Casper blockchain is immutable, as should be standard for every blockchain, but the future should remain flexible as needs change. We believe that blockchain is part of a larger application architecture, and on-chain contracts will need to be interoperable with applications. This means that smart contracts must be upgradable and versioned in order to meet these changing user requirements. The architecture of Casper enables the creation of private and permission environments, and of course fully permissionless public networks. It is also possible to create private networks with the security guarantees of the public network through a hybrid architecture. Now, and this is really important, with Casper you don't have to make a permanent decision about your network deployment. In the future, if you want to transition from a private to a hybrid or consortium chain, you can do so without having to migrate any data whatsoever. Casper smart contracts can be either fully upgradable, complete with data migration, or immutable. If your business needs change, this technology will allow you to make those changes quickly and easily. Casper's development process is designed to be familiar to to all developers. Use your existing skill set to build your solution on Casper within days. I wish all the participants a great experience and look forward to seeing you online or in person at the final event. Thank you very much.
So now we met all the protocol partners that are going to be available, the technologies during the hackathon. And in the next step, I'd like to introduce you to the other partners of the hackathon, because it's quite interesting to know what's their role and what they're doing. So AWS, you all know, it's a very important tool for building the backend and prototyping. SEBA Bank and Bitcoin Swiss, two of the leading crypto banks in Switzerland. They will introduce themselves personally in a few minutes. Ledger Enterprise Solutions, you probably all know the ledgers. And in this case, Ledger and Request Network will do the distribution of the awards. Request is a tool where you can do that very easily. And Ginetta is one of the leading software development firms in Switzerland. They build apps for the Swiss railway and some of the biggest apps in Switzerland. And they will do a workshop for you at 4 p.m. today on prototyping, and they will be there for you during the hack. Blockstar is a recruiting company. They will also scout talents during the hack. And Alien Worlds provided 15 NFT packages. And there's some very valuable surprises in them. Also, I'd like to quickly introduce the academic partners: ZHAW University, University of Zurich, University of South USI, I don't know the entire name, sorry, and University of Geneva. Actually, University of Geneva will be the host of the Geneva on-site hackathon as well. And the ZUPSI will be the one for Lugano. And now we'd like to welcome, two of our partners would like to welcome you, SEBA Bank and Bitcoin Swiss.
Hi everyone, can you hear me? Yeah, okay. Hello everyone. My name is Michele Federici. I'm the head of blockchain engineering in SEBA Bank. I'm not sure if you can see my video because I don't see it. Oh yeah, I have like.
Now it should work. Yes, now it works.
Here we go. I'm sorry. So, hi everyone. My name is Michele Federici. I'm the head of blockchain engineering in SEBA Bank. SEBA Bank is a fully regulated Swiss bank and one of the world's first crypto banks. Our main aim is to bridge traditional and new finance to embrace and explain technology, blockchain technology, instead of spreading fear. That's why we are very excited and proud, especially as a developer myself, to support as gold partner the second edition of the largest Swiss blockchain hackathon. So we hope this initiative will help spreading the same enthusiasm we have for blockchain and decentralized technology, and to see a lot of hackers from both Switzerland and abroad joining the call. We at SEBA strongly believe in an open ecosystem. We are very excited to provide support for the challenges and to help implement the ideas even after the hackathon. So we're really looking forward to see what the teams will come up with, and we are really sure it will be amazing. So good luck to everyone and enjoy the hackathon.
Yes, and also Bitcoin Swiss.
Hello, can you hear me? Yes. Good. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ian Simpson from Bitcoin Swiss. If you can hear me, that is great. If you can't, I'm sorry.
We can hear you, yes.
Super, fantastic. Great to meet everyone and see everyone here at the SBHACK again. As most of you know, Bitcoin Swiss is the oldest and largest crypto financial services company in Switzerland and one of the oldest and largest in Europe and worldwide. We're very happy to support the ecosystem and all of you who are hacking and building new things on blockchain technology during the hackathon in this coming week and the coming time. It's a great opportunity.
Sorry, I just had to turn on the video for him. Ian?
Oh, there we go.
Okay, now it's better.
Perfect. Great. Not that you actually have to see me, but that's always a little bit better. Yes. Again, welcome to everybody. Great to see lots of hackers joining the hackathon and great to see all of them joining the hackathon here in Switzerland. We at Bitcoin Swiss very strongly believe that Switzerland has a great role to play in bringing decentralized technology, blockchain, and crypto to the next level and to lead the world in this space. And as the oldest and largest company in the space based in Crypto Valley here in Zug, we're happy to support the hackathon. There will be several people from our side also joining the on-site hackathon in Zurich in a few days, next week, the week after, excuse me. So we look forward to meeting you there. Also, I think there will be an opportunity for you to hear from our founder, Nicholas Nikolaisen, also one of the crazy hacking pioneers of the crypto space in Switzerland. So look forward to that. And again, good luck. And again, congratulations directly to all of the protocols who are here. Obviously, those steps that you have taken to build new protocols and to develop new things beyond what is already out there is a great thing. And so this is an opportunity for you and for developers and hackers to try things out, develop things, and put them into practical experience and try them out for real world cases. And that's a great thing to see. So we definitely support that from the side of Bitcoin Swiss, and good luck to all of you.
Thank you, Ian. Wait a second. So thank you, SEBA Bank and Bitcoin Swiss, for introducing yourself. And now we'd like to go a little bit through the timeline. Today is the opening, so this is just the start of the online part, and of course people will join over the next 2 weeks. And during these 2 weeks, everything is going to happen on the Discord. So everyone who's not yet on the Discord should join. If you don't have the access, please ask us. There's going to be these 2 weeks to prepare everything, to do ideation sessions. Ginetta will help you, and our experts will help you to create innovative ideas. And then you have time to also build the prototypes. And then on 29th till 30th, on the last weekend, we will have an on-site hackathon in Zurich, Geneva, and Lugano. So you're welcome to join on-site if you're living in Switzerland or you want to travel to Switzerland. And we will have a live hack studio. So we will have interviews from blockchain experts live during the hackathon weekend. So now I'd like to go a little bit through the different challenges, just telling you a little bit about what companies actually provided them, because that's always important. Most important is that you have a customer and someone with a real business problem, and then you can solve it. And the capital market challenges come from SEBA Bank. So you already were introduced to them. We have a finance challenge by Julius Baer, one of the biggest private banks worldwide, more than 6,000 employees. You probably all know them. And then we have NFT challenges from Seba Bank, but also from Lumas. They represent more than 400 artists, also from Casper and from Richemont, a luxury goods company with more than 35,000 employees. And we have Industry 4.0 challenges. Bossart, for example, a company with more than 2,500 employees. They produce screws, and they have a procurement network with more than 4,000 manufacturers. And Fair Recycling Foundation and ZAW with also an interesting challenge. In the government sector, we have Nomoco, which actually is a digital twin company. They create 3D models of entire cities, and you have the chance to build a building permit process on the blockchain. And the Swiss Post, of course, with more than 60,000 employees and a leader in the EID world. And there's also an interesting challenge. Also from the city of Lugano, we have several interesting challenges to solve. And regarding media, we have the NZZ, one of the most famous news companies in Switzerland, and it's about fake news. So yeah, last one is gaming. We have Dex Game, who are building a blockchain-based platform for gaming, where you can do different kinds of challenges on gaming, which is also supported by Alien Worlds. The experts from Alien Worlds is the biggest metaverse on blockchain. So these are the challenges. And now I'd like to make you aware of the prototyping workshop. I already mentioned it. Ginetta is going to give a workshop today from 4 p.m. and will tell you more about how to effectively do the prototyping and how to win this hackathon. And you, if you want to join this, you just use the same link as the one here. It's going to be in the same channel. So Ginetta will tell you about prototyping, but also provide whiteboards, and that's, I think, a big advantage in such a hackathon. And finally, I want to introduce you to Jérôme. Jérôme is going to be your contact person during the hackathon, and he can solve any problem you have. He will. He knows how to match all the teams, how to solve any kind of question. So Jérôme, maybe you can introduce yourself so everybody knows who you are and then can contact you.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Fred. Hello, everyone. It's nice to see so many of you here. I will be your community manager for the duration of the hack. So if you want to get in touch with me, I can only stress this one more time. Please get on our Discord. This is where everything is happening and where you can reach me and where you can reach all the experts and all the technology experts. Get on Discord and get in touch with me, especially if you don't have a teammate yet, or if you haven't registered your team, because you can't participate alone. And if you're not registered with a team, we can't consider you for the awards, which would of course be bad. So get in touch with me. I'm looking forward to talking to all of you, and have fun with the hack.
I'm muted, so thank you, Jérôme. I think now you should know everything about the partners, about the challenges. You will find all challenges, videos to the challenges by the corporates, and also explanations on the DevPost side from now on. And also you will find information on all the protocols also on the DevPost side. So from now on, basically contact Jérôme, check out the tutorials he will provide, and also check out the DevPost materials, and let's rock it. I think it's going to be exciting 2 weeks, and there's going to be a lot of interesting solutions, and there's never been a time better to start an idea and realize a vision than now, with all these great blockchain companies supporting you. So have fun, and we're looking forward to work with you and build stuff.